Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Still trying to help this gentleman that lost, or he thinks he lost the vignette tool. We're not sure yet. But then I started thinking Corel does move stuff around. So how to find stuff? I go to Tools, Options, Customization, and right here under Commands, type in Vignette. There it is right there. Then when you click on it, it shows you available on menu bar, normal mode, effects, and creative. So that's exactly where it is. It's under, let's just go to that. Go to effects, creative, vignette. Of course, I don't have anything selected, so it won't show up, but creative and vignette. And then you get into the vignette mode. Now, if you do a vignette a lot, we can make a hotkey for it. Let's go to Tools, Customization, Commands, Find Vignette, or you can actually do it another way, but I'll just go ahead and do it since it came up. There's Vignette. And then hit shortcut key. There's no shortcut key. Let's try the V. The V is variable outline, and that's new for Corel. So let's go alternate V for vignette and assign it. And then see it, put it up under current shortcuts. Say, okay, now when we go to vignette, creative, there's our new shortcut. So if we want to do a vignette, let's take this picture back to full. I made it lighter. If we want to go to vignette now, I'm going to alternate V, and the vignette comes up. And of course, you can make it black or white vignette. I never have liked, if you use the ellipse, rectangle, never square, it, just kind of pick through which one you like. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.